Prakash, you may start now.
Okay, Namaste everyone. Good evening. Today I'll be leading our class. I will start my yoga session with prayers. So sit in any comfortable pose, maybe Sukhasana, Vajrasana, or whichever you are comfortable with. And let's start with prayer. Join your hand. Okay, and let's start the prayers. Om. 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 योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचं मलं शरीरस्य च वेदके योपाकरोतं परवरं मुनीन पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। ॐ सहनावतु सहनो भुन्कतु सह वीर्यं करवावे तेजस्वी नातीतमस्तु मा विद्वाहे। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Everyone rub your palms. When it's little warm, put it on your eyes, eyeballs, as well as on your face. Open your eyes. I hope I am audible well enough to you all. Everyone, can anyone confirm? I think I am audible. There is no sound. I'll take it as a yes. Okay, so stand up, come on the mat. Uh, let's uh, let's start with Suksham Vyayama. I'll just say what is Suksham Vyayama. Suksham Vyayama is to warm up your body for to practice further yogasana or advanced yogasana. So it is for all the joints of your body, warming up. Your muscles will be loosen up, and then we will proceed further. Okay. So everyone, come to the mat. Join your feet together, and let's start with neck exercise. Neck is nothing but Griva. We will call it Griva Shakti Vikasaka 1. We will do the Griva Shakti Vikasaka 1. Join your legs and hand together, and you can just rotate your inhale and twist your neck to the right side. You can just look at me first. Exhale and left side. This is one round, so we will do 5 rounds together. Okay, everyone, let's start. Inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is Girva Shakti Vikasaka 1A. Now let's do Girva Shakti Vikasaka 1B, wherein we will make neck as up and down. So same position, and let you listen me first, and then we will practice together. First, stay here like this, and inhale, go back. Inhale, complete stress to your neck. Exhale, go down. Okay, no rolling back, no rolling down. Keep your body straight and do it. Let's start. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, exhale, 2. So inhale, exhale is 1 round. I'm counting as inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Yeah, three more round. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last round. Inhale, exhale. You should feel the stretch. So let's do the Girva Shakti Vikasaka 2A, wherein we will rotate our neck 360 degree. So we'll start with right side, inhale, and when you come down, exhale. Up, inhale, and down, exhale. Okay, let's start. Yeah, same position. Keep your spine erect. Let's start. We will do 5 round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I wanted to do 5, but yeah, that's okay. Let's do Girva Shakti Vikasaka 2B. From the left side, we will rotate towards right side. Let's start. We'll do just 5 rounds. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is it for the neck. Let's start with some Bhujavali or that is for our shoulder. Bhujavali Shakti Vikasaka. We will do the first one. Stay in the same position and look at me, my first right hand. I'll just keep it up and make sure it's not touching to your ears, just straight. Okay. And what we will do is when your hand is up, you have to inhale and exhale. Let's start. We'll just do the 10 rounds quickly. Inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is again Bhujwali Shakti Vikas ka 2B, left hand. Inhale, exhale. Let's do 10 quickly. 4, 5. Make sure you are not compromising with the alignment properly. Hands should be in a very straight. 5. Okay, let's do the Purana Bhujavali Shakti Vikasaka. What we will do is we will do one hand, first right hand. Keep your hand like this, and we will rotate. Hold your breath and rotate. Okay, let's start. We'll do just 5 rounds, 2 times, and then exhale. Okay, inhale and from backward to forward. Okay. This is one round. Again, second round. Okay. Now what we will do? We will do the forward to backward. Again, same position. Okay. Now let's do with left hand. Again, what you have to do is inhale properly and backward to forward. Exhale. Again, inhale and do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is by one hand. Now let's do the Puran Bhujwali Shakti Vikasaka 2C. So we will do with both hands. Okay. First we will 10 round. Hold your breath. Inhale, hold your breath, and 10 rounds. Okay. Start backward to forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exit. Again, one more round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what we will do is from backward to forward. Okay. Inhale. 10. Okay. Now we are done with neck. We are done with shoulder. Let's do something for our kati. Kati means the sense back. Okay. In Sanskrit we call it as a kati. So it's called as a kati sakti vikasaka. Okay. What you have to do is keep your right hand and hold your left hand, मतलब right hand का fist को पकड़ना है. You have to hold it properly. And what you have to do is you can just stay here, and legs you can keep feet with hip width apart, or you can even join them. Okay, keep it on your lower back and inhale, complete stretch. If you cannot go, it is okay. Okay, inhale and then exhale. Go as much as you can. Don't force yourself with the exhalation. When you go down, exhale. Inhale, exhale down. Okay. Let's do total 10 round. This is fifth one. Inhale, exhale 6. Inhale, exhale 7. Inhale, exhale 8. Inhale, exhale 9. Inhale, exhale. Very good. It was very nice. Now let's do the another one. Kati Shakti Vikasaka 2 maybe. What you have to do is stay like this. I mean in the Samasthiti position, feet together. What we have to do is inhale, keep your hand like this. Exhale, hand should be like this. Okay. You can look at me first again. I'm demonstrating, then we will do together. Inhale and then exhale. We will do this way. Let's start. Okay. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last two round. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay. Let's do the Kati Shakti Vikasaka 3, 4, which is nothing but keep your legs hip width apart, or you can join, depend. Okay. Keep your hand like this straight, and we will move our trunk like this. Okay. So you have to do is like inhale, then exhale, and left side inhale, exhale. Very slow, gentle. Don't bend much if you are having some problem. Okay, exhale. Let's do two more round. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay. Now let's do the what you Koti Chakra. Okay. Yeah, keep your hand like this, and we will move like this, left and right. Make sure you are twisting back properly so that you will have a good warm up in the back. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you go back, you should exhale and then inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, like this. You have to do it 5 times. If you are done, we can move forward. Okay, so done with our back. Let's go with the bhuja. I mean, not bhuja. We can make it as thigh exercises. Okay, uh, keep your legs hip feet apart, and we can just squat like this. Your back should not go beyond knee level. Okay, like this, and then you can get up. Okay, let's do 5 times. Hope I'm not so fast. If you think I am fast, I can slow down as well. Please, you can interrupt me anytime. बता सकते हैं कब अगर मैं ज्यादा तेज हूं तो. Okay. Exhale, inhale. Let's do together 5 times. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Okay. Now, what we will do is we will just kick the ball like this. Okay. Let's start with right leg. Okay, pull your leg up and then kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now what we have to do is we will just do the toe movement. If you can see me, just toes are, I'm just doing up and down. Just उंगलियों को आपको ऊपर नीचे करना है 10 टाइम. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we will do the up and down to the feet. Okay, let's start. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm sorry, I went to 10 times. Now let's rotate the feet. Okay, first left to right, then right to left. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 10 because I'm always used to for 10 only. Other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now other leg. Let's kick the ball from left 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you do, it should jerk. Okay, so that your knee joints will be warmed up. Okay, now let's do the toe movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's do the feet up and down. 1, 2. It will give very good warm up to your calf muscle as well as ankle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's rotate from clockwise to anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, very good. So let's start with tree pose. Okay, come to the, join your legs. Okay, and slowly so here you have to focus on one of the point. Just look at the one of you, just gauge whatever the stable point in front of you, just look at it. Okay, and आपके leg को उठाना है. Okay, and you should not give it on your knee because it will injure you in overtime. So it should be on thigh only. Okay, so it inhale and stay. You can breathe here. I'll count for 10. Should be there for till I count 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale and slowly, release. Okay, now left leg. Inhale, focus on at one point. Okay, inhale and raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay, let's do 5 round of Surya Namaskara. I know you must already know about it. You can just follow me. Okay, come to the in front of your mat. Okay, come join your legs. Prayers. Okay, I'll just you can just follow me. I'll not instruct in the Surya Namaskar because most of you are already aware. Okay, join your leg. Okay, Uttanasan. Okay, Susanchalan. Okay, exhale to Parvatasana. Exhale to Sastang Namaskar. Inhale to Bhujangasana. Okay, and then Parvatasana, Dakshina Susanchalan, and exhale to Uttanasana. Inhale to raise your hand and exhale. So this is just a one round. We will do the 5 more round. Okay, let's start. I'll not give any instruction, just follow me. I'll just say inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, Dakshina Brahman Susanchalan, and Parvatasana, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale to Bhujangasana. Parvatasana, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and inhale. This is one round. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Bhujangasana, inhale, exhale, Parvatasana, Dakshina Susanchalan, inhale, and exhale to Uttanasana. Inhale, 3 rounds complete, 2 more. Do it on your own pace, don't hurry, please. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, exhale, and inhale, exhale to Parvatasana, Dakshina Susanchalan, inhale, exhale, inhale. So this is the 4th round, last round. Let's do it. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, exhale, inhale, inhale in Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, exhale, inhale, okay, and Uttanasana, exhale and inhale. Stay in a samasthiti for some time and feel the sensation in your whole your body. Just 5 count. Just stay in samasthiti. Keep breathing. Close your eyes and आपके शरीर में जो भी हो रहा है उसको महसूस करिए आप. Just feel the sensation. 1, 2, close your eyes, okay? 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's do some sitting asanas. Yeah, let's do Bhadrasana first. Okay, we can do the Bhadrasana or butterfly 2 times, 5 times. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can hold this like this as well and look front. Yeah, again, one more time. We will do for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is very good for your hip. It will make your hip flexible. Okay. Now let's do the Vakrasana. Sit comfortably. Okay. And straight your leg. Okay. And fold your right leg over your left leg and just behind your knee. Okay. So whichever your, if your right hand is folding, keep your right hand behind and pull up your left hand. Inhale and pull up and then exhale. This is how we should. Okay, let's do together. Inhale and exhale. Look back. You can hold your knee as well or keep your hand like this as well. Release. Inhale and exhale. Let's do it on the left leg. Fold your left leg. Keep just behind your knee. Okay. And left leg, left hand is back. Inhale and exhale. Keep your hand like this or hold your knee. If you hold your knee, you can stretch even nicely. It's a very good twist. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Let's do Gomukha Asana. I hope everybody know about it, but let me explain. Okay, in Gomukha Asana, fold your left leg, and on top you are folding up your right leg as well. Make sure both the knees are in one line. If you look at my knee position, both are in the same line. Okay. Now, whichever leg is up, you have to keep your left hand up. Okay. Inhale, and left hand should go behind. Okay. If you are unable to do it, use your towel, or even it is fine. You can just, if you are not reachable, it is fine as well. Okay, let's start. Left hand back and exhale and hold it. And you should get the lock like this. Okay, like this. Stay there for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, release. Okay, let's do for another leg. Okay, we'll fold the right leg first and left leg on top of the right leg. Okay, inhale and left leg up, left hand up, and you are holding or locking your fist with another hand. And look front. Keep breathing, and I'll be counting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, release. Exhale. I'm always used to for 10 counts. Yeah, so let's do Vakrasana maybe. Okay, let's start with Ustrasana. For Ustrasana, okay, come to the Vajrasana first. Okay, from Vajrasana, stand up and let's do practice for some time, 2 times, 3 times like this. Okay, stay like this and sit. Stay like this, exhale and sit. When you going up, you should inhale and exhale. Exhale and inhale. Okay, let's do the Ustrasana. In Ustrasana, make sure your knee are not wider apart. It should be on hip wide apart. Okay, keep your hand like this. And first, let's go with the right hand. Okay, inhale and exhale. And then left hand, inhale and exhale. If you are unable to reach, it's fine. your body will take its own course and you'll be able to do it over the time. Don't worry. Release again with the left hand and then right hand. Exhale. Sit comfortably for 30 seconds and we will do one more time. Close your eyes and breathe normally. Let's do it again. Inhale and right hand first. Exhale. Then left hand. Stay there for 5 count. Okay. This time you should go even more deeper. Breathing. Keep breathing normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Left hand first and then right. Sit here. Okay. Okay. Let's do the Setu Bandhasana and Chakrasana. Okay. Okay. Sleep on your mat. Okay. Lay down properly. Yeah. For Setu Bandhasana, what you have to do is keep your leg or you bring your leg near to your hips. Okay. And then you have to hold your ankle and pull up your buttocks up. Okay. This is how should you do. Let's start together. Okay. Take a breath. Hold your ankles and pull yourself up. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Grab a breath. We will do one more time. Yeah. Fold your leg, bring it near to your hip region. Select, hold your ankles and inhale up. Exhale down. Okay. Let's do counter pose for this one. Either you can do the child pose. Okay. Come to Vajrasana and do the child pose. Stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's again lay down. We'll do the Chakrasana. Lay down properly. Okay. And again in Chakrasana also, you have to bring your feet near to your hip. Okay. And put your palm near your shoulder like this. Okay. Hope everybody is looking at me. Keep your hands near your shoulder. Okay. And pull it from your buttocks. Okay. And then you have to pull your shoulder. Okay. Like this. If you are unable to do it, don't do it. Don't force yourself. Let's stay there for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easily, okay? Don't rush. Come down and exhale. Let's grab breath for 5 counts and then again we will do one more time. Okay, let's start. Bring your leg closer to your buttocks and palm near your shoulder. Pull up from lower body and then upper body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should come down slowly. Okay. Let's do the child pose to counter the back bends, or you can do the Paschimottanasana also. Stay in child pose for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Okay. Let's do the Dhanurasana, and then we will do the Makarasana and we'll go for pranayama later. Let's do Dhanurasana. Okay, what you have to do is lay down on your abdomen. Okay, this is Makarasana. From Makarasana to here, hold your ankle. Okay, both ankle, and first pull up your legs and go up. Okay, technique here is hold your leg properly, and your force will automatically come when you pull up your leg. And when you pull up your legs, inhale. Let's do it again. Inhale, pulling up legs, and then your face is up and look forward. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down easily and come to the Makarasana. Stay there for 2 to 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Let me see the time. I want to see if I'm not rushing. Yeah, okay, fine. So let's do the pranayama. Okay, so what I do or what generally a yoga instructor do is they will start with prayer and Sukshma Vyayama. Sukshma Vyayama will warm up your all body joints. And then Surya Namaskar and few asanas. When your body is really intensifying, you have to slow it down by doing pranayama. So let's do the pranayama. We'll start with Kapalbhati. Then we will do Anulom Vilom, Bhastrika, Brahmari, and maybe, if time permits, Shitli and Sittari. Okay? Sit comfortably, maybe Sukhasana, Swastika, or anything, any comfortable pose, maybe Vajrasana as well. Okay? Erect your spine, sit comfortably, maybe any mudra, Vishnu mudra, or anything. Or what I normally do is I'll keep my hand on my knees and I curl my fingers like naturally. And I'll just sit comfortably and Kapalbhati. In Kapalbhati, we have to exhale actively and passive inhale. Actively means intense exhale, and inhale should be passive. Nobody should know, or nobody should get to know that you are doing inhalation like that. Okay, let's start. You can look at me first and then we will start together. We will do for 60 count. Okay, what you have to do is sit comfortably and one good inhale and then exhale like this. So let's do 60 times. Okay, hope everybody is ready. Inhale. Okay, I am done. Continue till you are done with 60 counts. Once you are done, feel the intention, feel the warmth, or feel the activity on your forehead. You will see your blood is really flowing well over your head. Head is nothing but kapal. Kapal is having good blood flow. So observe that and breathe normally. Observe your breath. Observe your forehead, whatever happening with your forehead, just observe that and breathe. Breathe normally. Yeah. Let's do one more round of 60 Kapalbhati. Okay. Do it your own pace. Don't be in hurry. Basically, you have to do the active exhalation, intense exhalation, and passive inhalation. Start. Once you are done, close your eyes and feel the sensation on your forehead. Breathe normally. Yeah. So yeah, let's do the Anulom Vinom. What you have to do it on your right hand, fold the two fingers, index finger and middle finger. Okay. You have to do like this, and you can be in any comfortable position. What you have to do is inhale from left. Okay. Inhale from left nostril, block your nostril, and exhale from the right. Inhale from right, block your right, exhale from left. So this is one round. Let's start. This should be your mudra or position of your hand. Okay. Right nostril close with the right thumb. Okay, let's start. Inhale from left. It should do very gently. Exhale. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. I'll not count. You do it with your pace for 10 times. Okay. This is very good to cool down your body because we have done good warm up, advanced postures, and we did the Kapalbhati also, right? Kapalbhati is also intensive. So this is very good to cool down your body. Yeah, if you are done with 10 round, we can move to the next pranayam. That is called Bhastrika. You can first look at me, I'll demonstrate, and then we will do it together. In Bhastrika, what you have to do is inhale, bring up your hand, and you have to exhale with force like this. And it should be very forceful. Let's do it together. Let's do 10 times. Okay. Inhale and exhale. Ten times. Close your eyes if you are done and feel the sensation. I hope you are done. Let's move to the Brahmari. Brahmari, what you have to do is you have to block your both ears with the thumb, okay, and keep your hand or fingers. You can look at me like left. I mean, smaller finger on your nose, a little bit above nose, and ring finger on your eyes, and two finger on your kapal. Okay, like this. And what you have to do, you have to do the humming sound, humming bee kind of sound, types. Okay, let's start. Block your nose with both the thumbs. Okay, and keep your position like this, and let's do it. Let's do it 5 times. Inhale. Mm. 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 Close your eyes and feel the sensation on in your mouth region, that two top region of your mouth. I'll just see the time. Yeah, we have 6 minutes. Let's do the Sitli and Sitkari. I hope everybody is ready. Okay. In Sitkari, what you have to do is you have to inhale from mouth with rolling your tongue like this. Inhale from mouth with rolling. It's called a Sitli. Sitli in the sense it's a cooling kind of breath. You will inhaling cool breath and exhaling from nose. It's very good to cool down your body, and you'll feel good throughout the day if you do it twice or thrice in a day. So let's do it. We'll do the Sitli. Yeah. Roll your tongue like this and inhale. Exhale. If anyone unable to do it, it is okay. Just inhale and exhale. You can do it as well. Let's do it together 5 times. Last round. Exhale. I hope you are done with Sitli. Let's do the Sitkari. In Sitkari, what you have to do is you have to breathe from your teeth. Like you close your jaw, okay, and you have to just inhale. And inhale like you are sucking the air inside and then exhaling from the nostril. Okay, you can look at me first, and then we all will do together. Let's do it. Exhale. It's like you are sucking the air and then exhaling normally from the nostril. Let's do it 5 times. One, two, three, four, five, Do it on your pace. I will wait for 1 minute. If others has done, just keep breathing. Breathe normally. Observe your breath and feel how your body is supporting you, where all sensation you are feeling right now. I hope everybody has completed the Seetkari as well. We will go with closing prayer. Okay, sit comfortably and join your palm. Make a prayer mudra or prayer position. Let's start. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Paschantu Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhaga Bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palm. Okay. When it is warm, put it on your eyeballs and on your face. Namaste to everyone, and thanks a lot for joining my class. And I hope you liked it. If you have any question, I'm here to answer. Otherwise, we can close, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, sir. I am ending the meeting.